Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So from doing the coolant flush on the car, I had to pull the air filter out and I noticed the air filter is actually quite dirty. And since I have one of those K&N rechargeable filters, we're going to be using a K&N recharge kit. This kit right here, and we're going to clean and recharge that filter. So let's just get to it. Alright guys, so if you don't know already how to remove your air box, basically it's just 4 bolts around here. They're all 8mm, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver as well. You pop those off and this will just come right out and you can pull your filter out. Just like that, and lift the filter out. And as you guys can see, this is quite dirty. So we're just gonna get right to cleaning this. All right, so what's inside this kit is basically your red oil, air filter oil, which you'll need to lube up the filter later. The cleaning solution. And some instructions, which we won't need. Alright, so the first step is basically apply a whole bunch of cleaning solution on here, and we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And you want to apply it on both sides. Alright, I think that's good enough. And you don't want to let this dry out. So make sure it's nicely soaked. All right, now it's been about 10 minutes. So you want to rinse from the clean side to the dirty side. So this is the intake side. You want to rinse from the clean side and with low pressure water. So I'm just going to use this and we're going to rinse it. And you can see how black the stuff is coming out of it. Alright guys, so it's all rinsed out. It's pretty clean. There's little bits of crap stuck in here, but that's okay. That's not going to impede the performance of this or anything. Now we just let it dry naturally, and once it's dried, we could oil it up. Alright, so the filter is all dry now, and it's all mostly clean. There's little bits of dirt that's still stuck in there, like little twigs and leaves and stuff. I shook it out as best as I can. So now it's time to basically re-oil this filter. To re-oil this, I'm only going to be oiling the intake side. So this is the side that sucks the air and traps all the dirt. You don't want to oil this side. This is the side that basically is towards your intake manifold side. You don't want this side because if it sucks up any of the oil, it's going to cause some issues. So it's best to oil just this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray some of that red oil on here and let it soak for 20 minutes. Then we're going to touch up any areas that we need to. So you want to hold this about 3 inches away, and then you're just going to spray it even coat. Just like that. You're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes, and then we're going to touch up any areas that needs to be touched up. Alright, so it's been about 20-30 minutes, so we're just going to take a look at this and see if we need to touch it up. It looks quite fine to me. So we just got to wipe up all the edges since it has a lot of oil and everything all over it. All right, there you go. It's got a nice uniform red, and now we can just go ahead and reinstall this. All right guys, so that's basically it. That's how you recharge your filter with a K&N recharge kit. So it's all back installed and it's good now. I haven't really fired up the car or anything, but you do not want to over oil this filter because you're going to be causing some issues with the sensors, because it's going to suck the oil right in there and coat the inside of your intake manifold, and you don't want that. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!